This will be a short video of the trunk of this 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona, restored by Mike Mancini and his team. As like the rest of this car, the attention to detail is exquisite. Whenever you're at swap meets and you're looking for the original jacks for these vehicles, this is one. There's one detail that you should look for. Bear with me, but on the back side of this bearing, it'll say Made in USA and have some production information on it that is only found on the original ones. As you can see, a properly restored one, there is very little paint on the vertical stabilizer support. Bracket that's on the top of the quarter panel. Vehicle traveler, pretty consistently found in these vehicles. Like I say, there's so much great detail in this vehicle. We could spend hours going through the proper look for restoration purposes. This vehicle's been restored as close to as possible, but at the request of the owner, he didn't want it to be as sloppy as many originals that I'm sure we've all have seen. But this is extremely close to how it would appear.